I hear some creepy noises in these bushes. But it got me to notice these berries. Look at the colors. That's just on one branch. Just beautiful. I think that's just beautiful. And these are just wild. Wow. Just beautiful. I don't even know what kind of berries these are, but they're beautiful. Only God can do that. I heard something in these bulrushes. Oh, I hear something down there. That looks like the boat from Gilligan's Island, the SS Minnow. The SS Minnow from Gilligan's Island. A 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. This is my doggy! Hi, baby. Hi. No, no. Wait, Sabina, wait. Hey, wait. Sabina, wait. No. Wait. Hi, dog. Hi. Hi. Hi, everything's okay. That was a little tense. Sabina, no, no. No. Sorry.
It's all good.
Wait. Wait. You naughty girl. Starting fights. Go. Now be a good girl. Well, those berries were pretty, hey?